What is high-intensity resistance training? Subscribe now, like, and share this video. Whether you lift weights for strength or aesthetics, you'll know that intensity is one of the key variables to be cranked up to keep workouts fresh and effective. But exercise intensity isn't just important, it's popular, too. We've all heard of HIIT, high-intensity interval training. But what about HIRT? If you're not familiar with high-intensity resistance training, get ready to learn how this type of workout can boost the results you get from weight training, and you don't need to be in the gym to do it. Before I get started, make sure you turn bell notifications on so you can get the latest content. What is HIRT? High-intensity resistance training might be enjoying a renaissance, but it's far from new. The fundamental principle of HIRT is using short, intense periods of resistance training performed with a lot of effort and focus plus enough recovery time between sessions. In a HIRT-style session, you will do a series of strength exercises without rest, followed by a short recovery between blocks of work. If you have not already, make sure to like this video so I know the content that I provide you provides you value. Think circuits or giant sets, but in a more structured style. HIRT jacks up your heart rate and keeps recovery time short, leading to superior calorie burn, muscle stimulation, and fitness adaptations. Leave a comment below this video if you have any questions so I can reach out to you and help you out. Today's version of HIRT stays true to the original principles of the intensity of effort but has spread further than the gym environment, thanks to some amazing bits of home fitness kit. You no longer need to go to the gym to use high-intensity resistance training and get the fitness and fat loss benefits of HIRT. Today's HIRT workouts use dumbbells, free weights, cables, suspension trainers, and fixed bars to give you a fast, intense, and effective workout you can do at home or in the gym. However, if you don't want to do a workout to lose weight, click the link in the description. And make sure to subscribe now, like this video, and share this video to your friends and family so everyone can get informed of this valuable information.